Are you tired of paying for AI and you want it specialized in cybersecurity? Well, you're in the right place. Today we're going to install Llama, a tool designed to run large language models directly from your own computer. And we're going to install Lily, the cybersecurity model. By the end, you'll have a focused cyber copilot. Before we get started, we need curl. Curl is a command line tool for transferring data. To install it, type sudo apt install curl. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and click Firefox. We're going to open it up. Navigate to Ollama.com. You can see the curl command, but we're just going to take a look at docs just for a second. And you can come down here, scroll on the left. So no matter what your operating system is, you can go ahead and click it. We're using Linux. We're going to use this command here, curl, for installing Llama. So copy that, right click, you can hit paste, hit enter. It's going to go install. So while it's installing, let's talk a little bit about it. So you care about control, speed, and elegant engineering, right? Well, Llama turns your machine into a private inference powerhouse. But what is inference? Inference is when the trained model uses its knowledge to give you an answer. You pull optimized models locally and benchmark them instantly. No vendor lock-in, no noisy neighbors, just dedicated performance with predictable, stable latency. You can script, chain, and self-host experiments without friction. Your stack stays yours. Looks like the install is completed, so let's go ahead and open a new terminal. Let's type Llama-v for version. Boom, you can see the versions there. We're running 0.16.1. Now let's start it by typing Ollama serve. You can also come down here and you can copy it from this right here. We want to go ahead and copy this key. We might need it for something. Copy the whole thing. Copy. Just for the purposes of this demo, I'm going to go ahead and pick Notepad. I can search here. Use my text editor. Paste it. Great, now we have our SSH key, and you might see that there's this error here. What does that error mean? We're going to use the lsof, lift open files command, to find out what it means. Type sudo lsof-i:1143. And you get the 11434 because you can see this is the port number right here that it's using. Type the password. You can see that Llama is actually running on that port, so we don't have to worry about anything. Now that Llama's up and running, let's go ahead and go to a new tab. We want Hugging Face, Lily with one L, Cybersecurity. Now here you can see we have a few different options. We want the GGUF. It's smaller, it's more compact, it's going to do more for what we want. Now you can see we're at the GGUF. We want to use this model. So once we click this, we have all these different options of what we can actually use based on how we set it up. So let's go ahead and hit Llama. And we'll copy and paste and let's run. Now imagine having an AI that lives and breathes security. That's Lily, a cybersecurity specialist, not a general assistant. Most big models know some security. Lily was raised on it. She was fine-tuned on 22,000 expert security examples. The focused training makes her explanation sharper and more practical. Lily understands techniques, tactics, and procedures, TTPs. She helps with cloud security forensics, incident response, and more. So your team gets targeted guidance. You get quick, detailed answers when every second really counts. That speed and accuracy helps attackers and defenders stay confident ahead of threats. So when to use Lily? Use Lily when security matters most. She turns complex cybersecurity questions into clear, actionable steps. And on the screen, you can see she's waiting for us to send a message. So let's see. Let's ask our first question. How do I do a DAST scan in Claude?
Oh, DAST Scan. They're like a fun little adventure for us cybersecurity enthusiasts. So to perform a DAST scan in Claude Web, you can follow these simple steps.
If you check out the response on the screen, Lily provides step-by-step instructions on how to complete the task. She provides you the website, tools, and actions necessary to be successful. Drop a comment below and let me know what is the first thing you will train. Install Lily, save costs on AI subscriptions, and keep your data local. Keep testing, exploring, and hardening. And share this video with a friend and let me know your tips and tricks. And I'd like to thank you for watching.